Hi viewers, these videos aren't limited to students but also all the English learners who are eager to learn English through activity based learning. I'm going to discuss some of the videos about meanings, synonyms, as well as other options of parts of speech. Let us learn and discuss these topics. Your valuable suggestions will ever be welcomed. Thank you so much and welcome to English video number 1. English activity videos number 1. English learning activity 5. Question number 1. He spoke very loud. The underlined word is an adverb of degree because very loud means louder. So C option is correct. Adverb of degree. Question number 2. We watched him go. This is infinitive because we use to with first form of the verb for infinitive, but here we can't use to because of second form watched. So D option infinitive is correct. Question number 3. She is fond of cooking. The underlined word is gerund. Why? It's a noun. When first form of verb plus ing gives the meaning of a noun, it is always a gerund. Question number 4. If you had studied hard, you would have succeeded. This is third conditional. The construction of the third conditional is in a part of the sentence had plus third form, and in the second part of the sentence we use would have plus third form. Question number 5. The shoes is pressing on my toe. On my toe starts with preposition. The underlined phrase is preposition phrase because on is a preposition. Question number 5. Which of the following is an appropriate sentence? A. We are tired usually by the end of the day. Here, adverb of frequency is used after the subject. The adverb of frequency is used. That's why we are usually tired. C option is correct. So, the question number 7 starts. It was announced that the doctor's salaries would have been increased. The doctors ended their strike. This is coordinating. The second part of the sentence is coordinating the first part of the sentence. Therefore, it is as a result because this is cause and effect relation. So A option as a result is correct. Question number 8. John is an excellent teacher. He explains. So this is the quality of an excellent teacher. For example is given here. For example, C option is correct. Question number 9. Amna speaks English very well. So we need here option A, however, because she does not assist her friends in learning to speak English. This is not a good quality. So here A option, however, is correct. Question number 10. The government has levied more taxes. Blank. The salary structure has not been improved. Where there is a difference, the first part does not coordinate the second. Both are not same. We use but there. So B option but is correct. Next question. Mary is a good speaker. Blank. She also writes very well. These two qualities are associated with Mary. So we'll use moreover or in addition. So in addition, option A is correct. Thank you for watching.